Hello friends, welcome to my lecture on OR and logics used in pneumatics and hydraulics uh, and also multi-cycle operation. So let us start with, we have chosen here a double acting cylinder with its positions S1, S2, that is retracted and expanded positions of the piston rod. Then we have chosen 5/2 valve, direction control valve, which is pilot operated. As you can see the arrows, this is the convention which tells us that this valve is pilot operated. Okay, then we also have shown a pump here and two tanks which are required to plug in these terminals. Okay, and after that we have chosen a flow control valve here which will control single direction flow, and also in case of excessive flow it can come back from this side to the tank. Okay, then we have as per the cylinder positions S1 and S2, we have these two sensors which are roller actuated switches. S2 is here and S1 is here. Okay, when the cylinder piston reaches S1 position, you have cylinder expansion. Okay, and when it reaches S2 it will again retract. Okay, so this is S1 position. When the cylinder rod reaches S1 position, it will expand. Okay, and when it reaches S2 it will again retract or come back. So that is the logic. Okay, now if you want to have OR logic, so how you can achieve OR logic in this particular operation. Okay, so for the purpose what we have chosen is, we have taken additional few valves. These are 3/2 valves. One is this 3/2 valves. This is a simple mechanical push button operated and spring return valve, and this is again one more 3/2 valve we have chosen, and but this is operated with a detent switch. Okay, because we want to have multi-cycle operation. In the previous videos we have seen that by using this switch you can get the multi-cycle operation. Okay, but in addition to these we also have chosen this particular valve. This is known as the shuttle valve. Okay, so why it is known as shuttle valve? It keeps on shuttling the flow direction, right? This ball keeps on moving to the left and right, thereby blocking the positions of the flow. That is why it is called as the shuttling valve. Okay, now if you want to have OR logic, so why you are using this shuttle valve is just to demonstrate the OR logic. Okay, so here if you press this button you will have single cycle operation, whereas if you press this detent switch you will get multi-cycle operation. Okay, that is why we have used this shuttle valve in between, so that it serves the purpose of OR logic. Okay, so now let us try to simulate it and see if it works. Okay, by pressing this dark triangle, your simulation you can start. Now I think there is no error. As we can see, you can start the simulation. Now let us try to see the single cycle. Single cycle is working by pressing this push button. Okay, and if you want to have multi-cycle operation, then you have to press this detent switch. Let us see. Yeah, it is giving you multi-cycle operation, right? So this is how the shuttle valve can be used for OR logic in building the logics of these cylinders, which can give you either single cycle operation or multi-cycle operation. So that is how the OR logic is demonstrated. Okay, rest of the things are very same like we used in conventional hydraulics. We used these roller switches, and we used valves, DCVs and other things. Only here the difference is we have used shuttle valve to have the OR logic. So in the same circuit you can have either single cycle or multi-cycle operation. Okay, now if you want to have use AND logic, how it can be done. Let us see. Now we can replace this shuttle valve by another valve known as dual pressure valve. Okay, so that will give you the AND logic. So let us replace this valve by dual pressure valve. Dual pressure valve is here. You drag it from the library. Okay. Now you connect it here. So what we have done, we have just removed that shuttle valve and we have brought in dual pressure valve. This is known as dual pressure valve. Okay. Now here again, instead of this detent switch, you need to go for simple manual switch and spring return. Okay. Because here we are not trying multi-cycle operation, but we are using AND logic. So what is AND logic actually? Here, unless you press this switch and this switch, you will not get the beginning of the operation, right? And for that you have used this dual switch, so which enables you the AND operation, right? So you have to press this switch as well as this switch, then only you will get the expansion of the piston. Okay, so we'll try to simulate that and see if it works. Yeah, I think there is no error, so I think it should work out. So let us try to press both switches. First you press this switch and then press this switch. See, now it is working, right? Try again, press this switch and then this switch. So it is working. So this is AND logic using dual pressure valve. So what you can do is, like we did in earlier conventional hydraulic circuit, instead of using this valve, you can use two 3x2 valves, one below the other. We will just try that. Okay, the second method of having AND logic. So for that purpose, we will remove this portion of the circuit and we will have we'll drag this below. What we need is two such switches. So take one more 3x2 valve. You drag one more 3x2 valve here. Okay, right? And then you connect it here to the flow control valve, and then from here you take it here, and you need a pump here and a tank also. You need one more tank here, right? And this is of course simple manual push button with spring return, and this is also of course. And well, let's try to simulate this. Okay, now you have to press both the switches, so 1 and 2. Yeah, correct. So this is how you can simulate the logic and logic. Earlier what we did is we used a dual pressure valve. So instead of dual pressure valve, you can have this kind of arrangement through two switches. Okay, this push button and this push button, and unless these two are pressed, you will not get the required operation. So this is how the AND logic can be demonstrated. Okay, so I think what we have learnt in this video is we have learnt OR logic using shuttle valve, AND logic using dual pressure valve, and also two 3x2 valves. So instead of dual pressure valve, you can have directly two 3x2 valves and get the AND logic done. And we also see by using shuttle valve you can have single cycle and multi-cycle operation. I think that's all. Thank you.